So this is the finished product, and I don't like it. So Mark proposed, hey Mark, you want to say what's up?
Hello.
He proposed that he's gonna take him to work and he can actually sandblast them for me so we can get all those chips out and make it solid, nice finish, basically making them look like brand new. So Mark, you sure it's gonna work?
Yeah, it'll last longer too.
Really?
Yeah.
Should I still spray it with Cardinal, or should we gonna spray it with something else?
No, that's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah, it'll look better and last. Won't chip off down the road.
All right, man. Well, here you go.
All right.
Hey, I really appreciate you, man. Thanks for all the advice. All right, man. What's up, Marcus?
Look what I got.
Let me see. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Dang, son. They look brand new.
Dang, son.
Gotta be kidding me, man. So you just sandblasted it? That's it?
Yeah.
Wow. How long did it take you to do this?
About 2 hours a piece.
But reality-wise.
If I'm not getting paid, 20 minutes.
But for real, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
But 20 minutes to do this?
Yeah.
Well, man, that's awesome job, man. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate you. Everybody on the channel appreciates you, too. All right. So we sprayed them. Looking super sweet. And we'll do the other side when they dry. And this is the finished product after sandblasting them. Very nice. Thank you, Mark, once again. Yeah, that was pretty tough to get in. Finally got it in. You see what I did? I had to straighten. I actually straightened out as much as I could this whole trim because it was a little bent in places. And I put it on top and started using this rubber hammer that I'm using here and tapping it. So it looks like it went on. I just got to put on the little clip here, which I have. So this is a little piece that is going to secure these two trims right here. Wrong way. Ready to put it wrong way. Oh crap! There you go. So I put it from the top and try to flip it in. There you go. That's what secures it. Boom. Okay guys, we got all the trims installed, and the chrome moldings actually. You can call them chrome trims, I guess. Look good. I'm gonna probably wax them. I was gonna make them black, but I think with the rims being chrome, the lips, or the lip of the rim being chrome, I think I'm just gonna leave them chrome. Polish them out real nice. It was hard to start with, because I never installed them before. But once I did the first one on the driver's side, it's pretty easy. So that's what they look like. You just gotta make sure the top part right here when you install it, just make sure the chrome trim it's straight, because if it's bent, like if it's like wavy, it's really hard to install, because you put one end in and the other one pops out. So the same thing with the bottom trims right here. You gotta make sure it's straight, but don't kink them or anything, just gently bend them out. It's not really nice.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.